It can be hazy. It can be moisty. It can be drizzly.
Good.
It can be haily. It can be humid. It can be gloomy. It can be sleety.
MashaAllah.
It can be showery. It can be blizzardy.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny today.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was cold yesterday.
It was cold yesterday.
How will the weather be tomorrow?
It will be rainy inshallah tomorrow.
Excellent. It's cold, it's cool, it's pleasant, it's unpleasant, it's wet, it's romantic, it's breezy, it's windy, it's cloudy, it's clear, it's shiny, it's sunny, it's foggy, it's smoky, it's frosty. How is the weather? No.
It's cold.
It can be romantic, it can be cloudy, it can be warm, it can be wet.
Yes.
So many words are there, okay? We are moving to the next round, and that is about weather. What?
Weather.
Weather. You ready for that?
Yes.
The question is, how's the weather now? Please, how's the weather now?
It's cold.
It's cold. No, it's cold. Ready? The question. How can the weather be other than rainy? How can the weather be other than
Rain.
no points clear?
How can the weather be?
It
Can be breezy.
It can be breezy, okay?
How can the weather be?
Other than breezy, okay?
It can be hot.
It can be hot, excellent.
How can the weather be other than hot?
Hot, excellent.
It can be hazy.
It can be hazy,
How can the weather be?
It can be stormy.
excellent. It can be stormy, okay?
other than Tommy.
It can be wet.
It can be wet, excellent, okay?
How can the weather be other than wet?
Other than wet, okay?
It can be cold.
Ready? Let's revise our today's weather vocabulary. So you can say now that weather can be wet, weather can be dry, weather can be cold, weather can be warm. No points clear? Or simply you can say it can be. If you're talking about weather, then you can say it can be hot, it can be cold, it can be warm. Ready? Sure, please. How can the weather be? There was some issue in recording, no? So we had to record this part of the lesson again. I'm sure you would enjoy it.
It can be cold. It can be cool. It can be warm.
Excellent.
It can be hot. It can be hazy.
MashaAllah.
It can be wet. It can be dry.
MashaAllah.
It can be snowy. It can be frosty.
MashaAllah.
It can be moisty. It can be foggy.
Good.
It can be smoky. It can be breezy.
Very good.
It can be airy. It can be windy.
MashaAllah.
It can be stormy.
Good.
It can be cloudy.
MashaAllah.
It can be rainy.
Excellent.
It can be sunny.
Good.
It can be shiny.
Good.
It can be pleasant. It can be unpleasant.
Very good.
It can be clear.
MashaAllah.
It can be drizzly.
Good.
It can be haily.
MashaAllah.
It can be humid.
Good.
It can be gloomy. It can be sleety.
MashaAllah.
It can be showery.
Good.
It can be blizzardy.
Excellent. I'm proud of my son. MashaAllah. Ji.
It can be rainy.
Rainy, rainy.
It can be hot.
It can be hot,
It can be sunny.
sunny, okay?
It can be airy.
It can be airy, excellent, okay?
It can be smoky.
It can be smoky.
It can be cool.
It can be cool, excellent.
Can be romantic.
It can be romantic.
It can be dry.
It can be dry, excellent.
It can be hazy.
It can be hazy, excellent.
It can be cloudy.
It can be cloudy, excellent.
It can be cool. It can be dry.
It can be rainy.
It can be romantic.
It can be dry.
It can be shivery.
I will share a file with you. You can practice the weather vocabulary. Clear? No, you will ask, how is the weather today? How was the weather yesterday? How will be the weather tomorrow?
How's the weather today?
It's sunny today.
How was the weather yesterday?
It was cold yesterday.
It was cold yesterday.
How will the weather be tomorrow?
It will be rainy inshallah tomorrow.
Excellent.